Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your font bigger on brackets. Now, many software developers, web developers, and web designers they face um, a little bit problem about the font size in brackets. When you start your coding, um, actually the font size is look like this one, and I'm um, developing a website of my online school, um, and name of the school is Cyber Solution 71. And you can see the coding is too small uh, to look them properly, especially if you want to make corrections, or if you want to go for debugging. It create little problem. So how you can make solution for this problem? Now, if you click on file, there is nothing. If you click on edit, you don't find the font size, not even on find. But when you click on view, you can see how you can increase your font size. Increase font size is Control plus. Okay, so if you just click here, um, font size little increases, right? So you can click once again and it will be a little bigger. If you click again, it will become more bigger. But the best practice is just um, press on Control, then press on plus sign. Okay, this is the best option to um, get solution very quickly. Actually, I was in this problem, and I was uh, doing a bit research how I can do it very easily, and I didn't find anywhere this tutorial, not even in YouTube. That is why today I'm making it. It's very simple. Hope it will solve many of the software developers' problem. Thank you very much for you watching. If you like my video tutorial, just press button like and subscribe. Thank you.